Eto, Stampede Day for the family. So, yun ang exit daw ng pila, sabi ni Daddy. It's 7:17 AM. Ayan, so dito kami sa... dito kami sa Pacific Hut. So, we will do some Filipino breakfast muna for the family before heading to the Stampede. Where's my girls? Where's my girl? Ay! Ready na siya! Kahit na masama ang pakiramdam ng baby. Sorry! Kasi hindi na ito mauulit kasi next year ulit. Kaya we have to take this one, okay? Opportunity to go to the Stampede, okay? And then here's my little girl to enjoy guys today, okay? Today is the only day that, hey, you put that one, baby. And the day na dadalhin namin kayo doon kasi next week, iba na ng ating activities. So, yan. We will share to you our vlog. Ayun. Dun sa Pacific Hut. Free breakfast.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Maaga kami ngayon compared last year. So, yan. Pakita namin sa inyo yung tinatawag na free Stampede breakfast ng Pacific Hut. So, yearly nila tong ginagawa sa Filipino community and open naman sa mga ibang Asian. Yan. So, ito siya ang pila. Ito yung pila. Oh, ay yung hat niya. Sige. Ito na. Ayan, maaga kami ngayon. I don't know kung nagbibigay na din sila. Ay, hindi pa. 7:30 siguro. They will wait for 7:30. Yeah. So, yun ang area. Pacific Hut. So, they will have a free breakfast today for the Filipino community. Yan. Well, I think they will start na to give food. Yan. Hi guys! Taxi! Hi! Okay, we'll share to you guys our experience as family.
Shout almusal, please. Okay? And 1, 2, 3.
Almusal!
Masyado mahilo pa rin papaklose muna natin. Kaya pakilaksan po natin. Di ba sa morning?
Ang ingay ko.
Mas masarap, mas excited tayo. Okay?
Yes.
Always remember, breakfast is a special part or it's a special meal.
Of the day.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, ready? Let's shout
Almusal.
almusal. And 1, 2, 3.
Almusal!
Louder. 1, 2, 3.
Almusal!
1, 2, 3. There we go. We are all
Ayan sila
excited
daddy
for
mo.
almusal. Ready? May question.
Yeah.
Okay, kala ko meron ka. 3, 2, go! Ay, naku, yan boring. One more time. That's how you welcome your day.
Sabihin mo, almusal.
Always excited, okay? Almusal! Let's shout almusal. Just one more. Almusal!
Almusal! Dexter!
And 5,
Dexter!
4, 3, 2.
Almusal!
Yeah!
Ayan, so start dito ng dance. Ayan. Here, get the food. Okay. So this is the food. Do you want this, baby? We get you some, okay? Yeah. Wow, ang dami ngayon. Want the food? It's taho in the Philippines. Di ba, kuya? It's taho in the Philippines. Yeah. Yan. Okay po, kuha lang kami. Ay, hold natin to. Yan. Hold mo lang to for mama. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you po. Okay, let's go. Meron na. Meron na, nagulat siya. Good morning po. Yeah, just hold it. Yeah. Just hold it. Anong gusto mo? May gusto ka? Ha?
The one in the first one.
The one in the person. Donut? Okay. Donuts! And ito po. Okay po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi! Yeah! Okay. Thank you. Okay. Sa'yo? Gusto mo taha? Okay, you want some donuts? Yes, get some donuts there.
No, there.
You want yours? Okay, I will get some. Okay.
The team of organizers and volunteers. Acro, Alba, Caparot,
Daddy, hi!
Thank you. Maharlika Women Association of Alberta. Maharlika Divas by Cynthia.
Stadiums that are around. Welcome visitors from all over. I know it's a stampede season, so salamat po sa mga nandito ngayon, sa mga volunteers. Acro Society of Calgary, salamat po sa security and pagtutulong po sa amin dito. Escape and AG Associates, maraming salamat po for always being in the background kahit hindi kayo nandito in the front stage. Salamat po sa tulong ninyo.
Okay. So dito na kami banda naka-parking sa medyo malayo na pala to. So ito yung Stampede
This year,
area.
I'm gonna play.
Okay. This year na magpe-play siya. So nag-paid parking kami ng $30. So ganito dito guys, ang Stampede ay magastos.
Can you play both?
Oh! Ate, ikaw muna dito kasi inumin ko lang to. Tapusin ko. Ayan, so dito yung parking namin dati bandang dito lang. So this year parang ginawa na atang mga PWD, sabi ni Daddy. Tama nga. So ito na! Stop it time! Maghanap kami ng booth, Daddy, for the past. Family Day! Free pa siya before 11 a.m. Yeah. Okay, kuha ka, bebe. Kuha ka, bebe. Kasi nga, ano, para may guide tayo konti. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Ayan na! Yeah, ibang entrance kasi to, Daddy. So, first na gagawin namin ni Dexy is maghanap kami ng booth to get that, ano na, ha? Fast. Okay. Di naman na kailangan to, wag na. No more na. It's okay. Okay, so pipili kami. Try namin pumili kung may mabili kami this year, no? Some express access. So, $30 na pala siya, baby. Yung last year is 29. 25. Ngayon 30 na siya. Naku, lahat na mahal. So, yeah. We bought 8 coupons. 8 yan eh. Yeah, I know. 8 coupons kasi yung binili ko sa kanila. So, ganito itsura niya. So, ang 1 coupon, it costs us $40.
Wait, we can still exchange.
Yeah, the old one. Yeah. No, the old one will be pagka ano, bili kayo ng mga food kasi ano na siya. So, this year, ganito itsura niya. Ayan. So, this one costs, the value is 50, pero binibili lang namin sa Costco ng $40. So, yeah. Yeah. And then the other one, I know. And then we have still last year, ganito itsura naman niya. So, this one same na pwede mo daw gamitin kasi this is good as cash. So 2022 ganun din. 50 ang value but we only buy it on Costco at 40. Yan.
The other one's going on my sister. I'll have one, but the other one's going on my sister.
So kumuha si Dexy na Express Access. $30 isa and then yeah. And this year, binilhan namin yung mga kids ng ganito. So this is all day, right?
We can help you right
Yeah,
there.
yeah. So, hello. Yeah, hi. Ayan, hindi namin alam na kailangan mo palang mayroong ganito. Yeah, before going to that all day pass, yeah. Excited, right? All she can, right? Ito yung unang activity ni Dexa. Ayan. Init tayo. Wala ka kasi sombrero. Pag mayroon, at least may naprotektahan yung mukha mo. Sunog ka na mamaya. Ayan, so ito yung una. Daddy, dito kayo muna. Dalawa. Doon muna kayong dalawa. Sisilong muna kayo, please. Ayan. Sabi ko dito kami mamaya pagka-rides pagkahapon eh. Si Dexa ang gulo eh. Ayan. So ito yun guys. Ito siya. The Great bata to. So siya, The Great Frontier. Yan ang pangalan ng area na to. Yan. Dexa is here. Ayan si Dexa. Nag-ride sa atas siya dito man. Go ahead! Go ahead! Dexa! Woo! What happened? You're done? Dito ginagamit yung mga coupons na yun. So, can you inform them how to do it? Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. That's nice, Dexa.
As fast as you can. Use your two hands. Use your two hands.
Okay, next one guys. So maraming games sa mga kids here.
I think this is the games for Dexa's age because they're easy.
Yeah, they're easy. So you will go to your age afterward, yeah. So the use ng wristband na yun, dito sila sa Express Access. So my kids can go first before yung mga nakapila dito na normal. So that's the advantage of having that wristband. Select niya nilang next. Ayan, haba din ang pila. Good thing the kids get express pass this year. Kasi ito nagkakaubusan din. Yeah. They're done! Asan na yung dalawa? Ayan sila. Good thing sinamahan ni ate. Wow! Good job! Did you enjoy? Yes! Yes! Enjoy! Ayan sila sa dalawa. The girls are there.
Dexa!
Ayan na sila. Ano pinili nila? Blue! Ganito lang siya. Hi guys! Nahilo na si Dexy. Hoy! Dexa! Ayan, ang saya ng dalawang to. Ang saya din. Dexa! Ayan, enjoy ng mga kids.
Oh, sorry. Where are the girls? Ay!
Dexa!
Nag-enjoy kaya? Oh my God.
Isa pa? Ayaw na nila. Ayan ang sinakyan nila kanina. Inantak ka at Dexy. I saw you. There you go. Tapos na sila. So let's go to the next ride. Or ano muna, play muna kayo. Okay. Cotton candy daw yung dalawa. So dito sa bandang kids area, ayan, may mga nabibili na din dito, like may mga squished lemons na doon. Ayan, and then may mga food din dito. And then cotton candy nga. Ayan, may mga root beer din sa gilid-gilid dito. Banda. Woo! Good job guys. Okay, eat na, eat na. Enjoy! What? Okay. Sige. So, dito yung area ng mga sunda-sundalo. Ito area nila. Ayan, tangke. Guys, higop siya? Hindi. Ayan yung mga sa army na yan. Ayan. Dito din. Dito nila banda nilagay. Yan. Nakita mo higop? Wala na pakialam daw. Cotton candy daw yung kanya. Ayan, balik kami dito. Mamaya. Ayan ang street. Go.
Wet market.
Hold Ate Sen, bebe. Hold Ate Sen. Go ahead. Hold Ate Sen. Yeah. So next na stop na ng mga kids is mag-games sila here. Pero si Dexy ata na, bebe, no? Sa isa yun ng mga games to kasi kanina napaka-boring kay Dexa. Ayan. Pero dito, hindi na siya kasali doon sa wristband nila, kundi magbabayad ka na per game. So yun din, $10 ata yung per game ng mga kids here. Let's see.
Come back at Madison Square Garden, November 14th and 15th. Plus, you'll meet the band and take home some signed merch as well. Sign up at SiriusXM.com/1975 MSG.
And Dexa! Hi, Dexa! So haba din ang pila here. They have ticket booth here. Alam ko nasan sila daddy.
A little bit taller. So
sit on your knees. Like bend your knees and sit on them. Yeah, there you go.
So $10 again. Ito na ang mga laro ngayon. $10 na siya. Oh my goodness. Nasaan yung ano niya, guys? Tingnan nyo kung saan yung ano, Dexa. Yeah. Okay.
You're gonna love the ball, right? Do you want to get racing that?
Ayan na.
The top ball here is gonna win. Winner, number 4.
Want to play? Okay.
So dito banda to dito. Yan. Mamayang gabi tayo sasakay ng ganito.
Oh, that's so nice.
Ang dalawa. Ano lang daw to? 1 minute. Dito sila sa haunted house. Tanda natin. Dito daw sila lalabas eh. So, sumakay si Dexy dito at saka si Dexa. Ayan. Ang bilis naman!
Guys, what? Are you scared? Ah, no. Ah, it's not scary. Okay, let's go to the other one. Yeah. So isa sa mga gusto ng mga kids here is snow cone. So gusto din nila tong little donuts. Ayan. Mamaya na siguro yan kasi parang bread lang naman yan pag gutom na sila. So nakapila na yan si Dexy. Ayan siya. Snow cone yung kapatid niya. Nag-request ni snow cone. Eh, why do you like snow cone? Snow cone or ano? What do you like?
Haba ng pila nito.
Ayan. So pang ilan ata din ako. Baka pang 20 ako. Tapos si husband dito naman siya sa
Posit na natin.
yeah. Sweet dito naman siya. So, eh. Magkintayan kami kasi nga mahaba daw yung pila ni husband dito siya. So, ito naman mag-i-slushy daw yung mga bata. Pila-pila dito sa Stampede. Pag ganito, sobrang init. Ayan. Bibili si ate. Ayun si ate. Ayan si ate. Ate, that's nice cup though. Yeah. Ay, lumusot ka. Nabasahan na to. Tuwa si Dexa. Kasi $3 na refill niya. So this one, pag
$3 change.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I gave 15. So I
Okay.
got
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's see a daddy first, guys. Okay? Okay, share. Okay, share. Share that. Lang squid! Oh my God! Pinilahan ng husband ko. Grabe. Okay, thank you. Okay, sige. Ayan na. Okay, daddy, dyan ka na. Just put it here. Okay. Eating time. Thank you, Daddy. Pumila si Daddy ng 2 oras for this, guys. Kaya namin nyo. Mainit ata. Mainit. Mainit, guys. Mainit. Yan. Ayan siyang pusit.
Is that a real squid?
Yeah, it's a squid. Yeah. Yeah. Daddy, yung hands mo. No, yung wipes. I
The
mean.
bones eatable?
Yeah, everything. You can eat everything.
Also the bones?
Yeah. Yes. Ayan siya. Dalawa. So, magkano naman to yearly, Daddy? Dati, 30 lang. Ngayon, wala na. Hindi na makatarungan ng mga price. Yan.
Everything went up $5, so this was $70.
Oh.
Start from the parking.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
From the parking.
Oh my God. Yeah. Tingin mo na kami. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. Go to Dada.
Give me the biggest wave and say, hello, Magic Mel. Hello, everyone. Well, I am so excited to be here with all of you. And here is what I'd love all of you to do. On the count of 3, I would love it if you could shout your names. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Amazing!
You want to sit down there?
It is
Okay,
so
go then.
nice to meet all of you today. Now everyone, I have a... Oh, I'll take the yellow hanky, Alicia. You hold this up high in the sky. Keep it really, really still. Okay, now everyone, this is your moment. You're gonna try out your magic powers. We are gonna use 2 things. The yellow hanky and this little folder right here. Okay, so get ready. Get your hands up. Focus your powers. And on 3, everyone, shout, huzzah. Ready?
Huzzah!
On 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do you think you did magic? Do you think it worked? Now, if it works, here's a land in there. Well, let's take a look. Okay. It actually did, everyone. Can we give Alicia a big clap? A huge round of applause. Woohoo! Oh, pet. But I was never allowed to have my own pet. So I pretended that this little pink hanky was my pet. I even named him. Everyone, his name is Silky. Okay, everyone, I have a confession. I might have been making up the dance. Let's see. Is it working? Is it? Did I turn it up with my magical remote? Ah, here we go. All right. Some dramatic music to set the tone. There we go. Ready? Okay. Everyone, hands out. Focus your magic. We're not using magic words this time, no. Ready, go. Ooh! Oh, you're doing it! You're actually doing it, everyone. Use your magic and try to make it fly around with your powers. Ready, go! Woo! Wow! Whoa! Woo! How are you doing that? Oh. Okay. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Everyone, bring it down. Bring it down, bring it down. Wow, you should be so proud. Give yourselves a huge clap, a huge round of applause. Everyone, absolutely amazing job.
Fantastic. Can you all put one hand up in the sky like this? Give me a big wave and say, hey, fantastic. Hi, everybody. And I would love to get to know all of you. So how about on the count of 3, you shout your names to me. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It is a pleasure to meet so many new friends here today. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Well, I did mention that we have a very special friend helping us tell this story. Why don't we do this? On the count of 3, everyone say, come on out, Chase. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's Chase! Hi, Chase. Come and join us. Thank you for joining us today. Can we all put one hand in the sky like this? Can we give a big wave? Can we say, hi, Chase? Hi, Chase! Now, Chase, I am very excited to read one of our favorite stories today. Shall we dive on in the book and see what stories we're reading? Let's take a look and see here. Oh. How about this one, Chase? Is this one of your favorites? Please enjoy your next case and hit the corn dog stand too, and I'll see you there in just a few minutes. Well, everybody, did you enjoy our story today? You were fantastic. I do hope you enjoy the rest of this very magical day here at the Calgary Stampede. There is so much to do. We have some more magic shows and meet and greets coming up here at the BMO Kids Zone. So be sure to check those out. Everybody, my name is Fantastic. It is time.
Grabe! 350 kasagsagan ng init. Oh my God! May drawing, big drawing area mga kids here. Kaya sa BMO Kids Zone. Go to daddy. Go to daddy. Stay here. Takot tayo dito sa ano. Dexa, come here. Come here. Dito ka, baby. No, no, you cannot. Here, here. So that you can see. You see? The mama pig. There. Oh, that's the dede. Oh, there's another dede. The baby is there for milk. Yeah. Yes. Ang chicks naman yung mga kids. Is that the chicks? Oh. Chicks, hi. Yeah, I know. Okay. It's a chicks. Sortilegs tayo ngayon. Trinay namin yung sortilegs nila this year ulit. Ayan! Aba naman habang tulog tong isa. Kakain muna kami ni husband. Ayan. Ayan. Ano na natin? Husgahan na natin ang turkey legs na yan. Ayan. So mukha kasing dumilim. Kaya dumilim sa labas. Parang gusto niyang umulan. So dito muna kami tumambay. Dito sa Nutrian. Dexa na sa mga friends niya. So kain lang muna kami saglit while Dexa is sleeping. Okay, kain muna tayo. Dexa, did you see that? Dexa! Dexa, there! Good job, Dexa! Yeah, what's your prize? Oh! What do you like? Yung hindi nabubutas kasi madaling mabutas yan eh. Yeah. What about there? Okay. Say thank you! Ayan, wow! Okay. Wow, you have a lot. Yeah. Yan ano ng mga stamping talaga. Yan. Dexa! Dexa, you want to ride that one with Dada? No? Okay. So paggabi na. Yun nga yung sumama yung panahon eh, no? Bigla-biglang sumulan. Sobrang init kanina. Okay, let's go to the other side. Yeah. Ay, akala ko go na. Another yay! Jollibee! What color? Ooh! Okay. Okay. Jollibee ride! Wow! Asan yung dalawa? Ito sila. Ayun si Kids Zone. Alright siya dito. Si ate ngayon na mag-assist sa'yo. So, by yourself. Okay. Enjoy. no? Parang gusto niyang umulan. Mamaya siguro niya ibuhos. Here's Dexa! 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 Okay. Dexa! Ayan, ano na panalunan mo na yan na? Diyos ko. Ito, 10. $10. Tapos ito din, $10 din, Dexa. $10 din to. Magkano lang to eh. Alam pang $1 sa dollar store. Anyway, ganun ang mga prices nila dito sa Stampede. Napakamahal. Importante lang naman enjoy ng mga kids. Okay, enjoy! Corn dog, Dada? Woo! Corn dogs! Uy, bago pa yung mantika nila. Corn dogs for Dexa while watching here. Ayan. Yummy? Wow! Nice, right? There again. Another group. Another group. Okay.
Good job.
Good.
Alright, what do you say, Kyra? What do you say, Kyra?
You're welcome.
Oh, careful. That one is not full.
Oh, your own plants.
Okay, I'm gonna just put a lid on it so it makes it home safe. So when you get home, you can take off the lid because you don't need it anymore. And you can give it 2 tablespoons of water, so 2 big spoons, and put it in a nice sunny window. Okay? And then in 3 to 5 days, it will start to grow. You'll start to be able to see the leaves. And once it's as tall as your hand, you can plant it outside. In a garden or in a big pot. Okay?
Thank you. Dexa! Watch it. This one, Dexa? Ooh, big man. Say hi. Say hi to the big man. Ayan, Dexa. Gabi na. Naabot kami ng gabi at least tumila yung ulan.
We went on the big Ferris wheel.
Yan is our first time to ride this. Yeah. ata din eh. Ayan! Nasa pinakatuktok ata kami. Yeah. Pababa na ba to? Although hindi masyadong kita kasi yan madilim nga yung salamin.
Fireworks na. May fireworks kanina.
Oh, it's what time na ba?
10:22 pa lang.
Yeah.
Fireworks.
11 ang fireworks.
No, I
Yeah.
bet it was for their show.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, Daddy! Woo! Ayan, pataas na naman kami.
Malamig na.
Yeah, I know.
Ang ganda pa nito ah.
Yeah.